Wapi basi kelele ya tera ya mrembo tu? Wapi kelele ya mrembo? Haya, kuna taarifa ilikuwa inaina. Unataka tuliane? Nimlete? Sahi? Haya, ngoja kwanza. Tumekuja kuona wenye walikufa, si ndio? So let the families come on stage. Alafu tuendelee, si ndio? Hiyo tu sawa? Ya makomrades, si ndio? Comrades viva! Walete. Bring the families tafadhali. Bring the families so we can honor those we lost. Ni hiyo tu, alafu tugone tena, sawa? Ni hiyo tu. Alafu tulete, alafu tumekuja kuona watu. Najua masani mbaya, najua. Wakuje, familia wako wapi? Haya, wanakuja. Kudunda, ati kudonjo na kudunda, ni kudonjo na kudunda, kudonjo na kudunda. Kama unajua basi nisaidia kuimba, sawa? Ati Monday ni kazi, Tuesday ni tatu, ati Wednesday si tali, Thursday nangoja Friday, ati Friday si waski, wako ati Monday ni kazi, Tuesday ni tatu, ati Wednesday si tali, Thursday nangoja Friday, ati Friday, sema Friday. Hanifa, tafadhali come on stage. Hanifa. Ati Friday ni maandamano, ati Friday ni Friday. Tuwaski, unasema Friday.
Okay. We want to invite the families of the fallen. Tafadhali, please make your way to the stage. If you're on this side, if you're on that side, whichever side you are, make it to the stage. As they make their way to the stage, I want to tell you, we have a host of performances about to happen. Eric Wayne about to perform. Giuliani about to perform. We got Kanye Jones about to perform. Escopizo about to perform. Charisma about to perform. So what I'm saying, relax your hands. Shukapa pamoja. Now, remember, they are the reason for the occasion. Our fallen heroes. As their families make their way to the stage, tuwe na heshima. Tuwe na heshima. the mothers of the fallen ameandika ujumbe. Anawahi ya marehemu. Tafadhali tupatie masikio. Brothers, sisters, choka ni ya security. Ya security. Haya, wapenda. Hata hizi zipite. Haya. Tafadhali kwa heshima naomba tusikilize ujumbe from the mother, one of the mothers of the fallen. Mpe masikio kwa sababu kwa uchungu ameandika ujumbe ndio iwapatie nyingi. Mpatie masikio. Son, you made it, but not back home. Today, instead of your bedroom, you lie in a cold room and wept and wailed to no avail. Justice had failed to be your shield and defender. I'm sorry, son. Sorry for my silence. Yes, son. I watched the news and social media too. I saw your bullet riddled body, your brains blown out too. I'm sorry that what should have cost you sweat, at most tears, has cost you blood. Your blood flowed like a river. Son, your love for literature molded you into an indomitable patriot. And yes, I had the chance in the song reverberating echoes of revolt. Oh, but son, my heart only sings for one. It is not well with my soul. No, it is not well. Son, that is not angry, that you wore his shoes. They were my shoes to wear, he cried out loud, as he clung to your lifeless body. Daily, he stares at them, now a symbol of your courage and heroism, a lifetime reminder of your fight for social and economic justice. Your friends passed by kusema pole kwa msiba. They are now my sons, born of a common bond, a cause not in vain. I thought to make for them some rice. It's no longer just rice, son.